A magistrate court in Wuse, Zone 6, has sentenced a member of the House of Representatives, Victor Mela, to 1 month imprisonment. The lawmaker who represents Beliri Balanga Federal Constituency was, however, given an option of fine. Premium Times had reported on November 10th that a magistrate court found the lawmaker guilty of lying under oath while filling the CD001 INEC form prior to the 2019 elections. The magistrate had, however, set a different date for sentencing of the lawmaker after his lawyer pleaded for leniency. Mr. Miller swore to an affidavit thrice denying citizenship of another country, whereas he has a Canadian passport. His conviction follows his prosecution by the police in Abuja. The lawmaker had, after the November 10th judgment by the magistrate, said he would appeal the decision. He tweeted, "I would like to call on our friends, supporters and sympathizers to remain calm, as well as rest assured that I will challenge today's perverse decision at the appellate courts immediately. It is unclear Friday if Mr. Mella has appealed the judgment. Calls to know his known telephone number failed to connect." Born January 1973, Mr. Mella earned a degree in geology from the University of Jos in 1999 and a master's in semi-metallurgy and petroleum geology from the Abubakar Tafawa Balewa University in 2006. He was elected to the House of Representatives in 2019 and is vice chairman of the Solid Minerals Committee. More details to come. But as it is now, he's been sentenced to 1 month imprisonment for lying under oath, and more so, of course, he's going to be given fine. Yeah, I'm sure he will not want to go, but whether he pays the fine or he goes to the jail, and the question is that it's going to be ex-convict, as the case may be. But I don't know whether they will still retain him as the member of a House of Representatives. You know now, you're having a Canadian citizenship or passport, and yet they cannot stay there because they know that you can't stay there now. The money they are getting in policies in this country, no country in the world can match it. What Nigerian politicians get, like we always say, look, the most lucrated job in this country is just join politics. Politics in Nigeria pays if you can get through to that. It's what it pays. Even as all of them, let them get US citizen, let them get a UK citizen, or let them get a whatever, whether other developed countries, they can't stay there because he does not give you room to be amassing wealth to yourself like that. It is only Nigeria that can do it. That's why he was denying all of that. And again, giving his supporters hope. Of course, some people will see buy into that thing. He was talking as if, oh, they've really manipulated this man, or they've enchanted him. Oh, that they should not worry, that they should just be calm. Well, those who are eating under him, those who is feeding, they are the ones that will be worried anyway. So he has to give them a kind of confidence, hope that everything will be okay. Almost all the Nigerian legislators and men have dual citizenship. Why him? Somebody's asking that question. What do you purport? You mean because he isn't a Hausa Fulani? They may all have, but he is committed perjury by lying on the oath. What about those who stole our money and they are still on seat? What type of nation is this? The country is like this because of bad leaders, both past and present, who will deliver us from this rubbish. We have everything in this country to become great, but our leaders have finished us. God, please send Messiah to us. We are the children of butcher, but we are eating bone. We have enough clothes to wear, but we are wearing rag. God, have mercy on us and deliver our country from bad leaders. He should be dismissed from office to serve as deterrent for others. I hope they're going to do that. I doubt. Some say, period. Better. Buhari did not have YX certificate. Why did you send him to prison? God bless you for that question. because the country belongs to them and you can't change it unless you fight. I mean war. Just 1 month, this country is gone. Gone to where? You never see anything good concerning the country. Are you praying at all? It's if it is me, they won't even visit my case for hearing of for over many years. I will just rot in awaiting trial. But for another Nigerians, his case will be visited in no distant time and was given only 1 month in jail with an option of fine. Poor man, no be citizen of Nigeria. Okay. Okay, let them continue. Let them continue. Let them continue. There is nothing we are not going to see in this country. The more you look, the less you see. When it comes to them, they know how to go about it. Just like the way they have released the Aline Dume, not quite long after days in Kuje prison. Now, it will not take time. They are already out. They are already out. That is how they play. That is how it rolls. That is how they do their thing. You can never, you can never see enough of these people. You can never see. Every day you begin to see new things. Every day you begin to wonder, you begin to ponder that what kind of a thing, what kind of a system is this? And just like I said, across board, they are all the same. All these politicians, whether APC or PDP, they behave the same way. That is why they are bragging that the kind of a defection that will happen in Nigeria, that will happen in APC, that Nigerians will be shocked. What are we going to be shocked about? And somebody was like, oh, these are the same people you said they don't have ideology, they are this and that. And once they come to you, all their sins will be forgiven. It's always interest that matters. It's always interest that matters, not what you talked about me or how you criticize me or how you blast me. It is not the issue. But in as much as you are coming out right now, you are going to be aligned with my own interests. You rub my back, I rub your back. That's it. It settles it. So it is the gullible ones that will be fighting and be defending them. But the unfortunate thing is that if all these politicians, if they move again, they are gullible followers, they will move with them. If they move back, they will move back with them. That's why they are getting away with it. Now, just this person commit this kind of offense, and you are just giving him 1 month with the option to, option of fine, and you expect them not to do that again because they know that at the end of the day they will pay their way through. So, guys, this is very, very unfortunate, and these guys are disgracing. You think you are the only ones hearing it? The whole world is hearing what they are doing and seeing what they are doing, and you expect them to respect us. It's not going to happen. So, guys, let's hear your opinion and let's know your thoughts on this.